Hello everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. So today's guide video is based on how to remove suggestion on Messenger application. Now before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with the internet service and only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now without any further delay, let us get started. Now first of all, what you have to do is you have to update your Messenger application, and next what you have to do is open your Messenger application. Now here the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, what you have to do is just simply tap on your profile icon, which is on the upper left corner right on top. So next on the other page, what you have to do is just simply scroll down right to the bottom, and right in between you have phone contacts. Just tap on it. Now as you can see that as soon as I tap on phone contacts, on the other page you can see two different options. Right on top there is upload contact. So here as you can see that the upload contacts is turned on. Now in order to turn it off and remove suggestion, all you have to do is just tap on upload contact and then tap on turn off, which is right at the bottom. So next what you have to do is just simply tap on manage contacts. So next on the other page you have the info about manage contacts, and under it you can see statement. So from here what you have to do is just read the following statement carefully, and once you're done just simply tap on delete all contacts, which is right at the bottom. Now once again, in order to confirm it, just simply tap on delete all contacts, which is right at the bottom. Now the final step, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen and then open your phone settings. So next what you have to do is just simply tap on apps and notification. So once again you have to tap on Messenger. So on the other page you will land inside app info. So from here what you have to do is just simply tap on storage. So next what you have to do is just simply tap on clear data. And once you clear all data, which means that once again you have to log in. So now go back to your home screen. Next is you simply have to log in into your Messenger, and that is how you can remove suggestion on Messenger application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.